guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make gluten-free Texas sheets cake. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a large bowl, add the gluten-free flour. You can buy it ready-made or you can make your own, and I have a video showing how to do that. And add in the sugar, baking soda, xanthan gum. You can leave it out if your gluten-free flour blend already has it, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined. Then add in the eggs, buttermilk, and vanilla extract, and mix them together until they're combined. Then in a small saucepan, add in the butter, water, and cocoa powder. Then place the saucepan over a medium-high heat and heat the mixture until it boils. And once it's boiling, remove it from the heat. Add it into the rest of the mixture. And mix them together until they're combined. Then grease a half-sheet pan with non-stick cooking spray. And pour the batter into the pan and spread it out until it's even. Then carefully bang the pan on the countertop a few times to get rid of any big air bubbles. Then bake it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While it's baking, you can make the frosting. In a small saucepan, add the butter, milk, and cocoa powder. Then place the saucepan over a medium heat and heat the mixture until it boils. Meanwhile, sift the powdered sugar into a medium bowl. And once the chocolate mixture is boiling, remove it from the heat and immediately pour it into the powdered sugar and mix them together until they're combined. And add in the vanilla extract and mix it in until it's combined. Once the cake is done baking, remove it from the oven and immediately spread on the frosting while the cake is still hot. And let it cool for about 10 minutes, and you can serve it while it's still warm if you like. And that's how to make gluten-free Texas sheets cake. Check out more of my videos here, subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.